Hi everyone, this is Abdul Salam in front of you. Hopefully all are fine. I'm also doing great by the grace of Almighty Creator. So dear friends, now I'm standing here at this moment if I talk about in this video. Okay, so nowadays I can't making any blogging video. So that's why today I have come here for video making purposes. I have come here. Okay, so dear friends, nowadays I can't making any blog video because so many problems my. Okay, so that's why I can't making any blogging video, and today I will go to in our mass actually paddy fields for visiting purposes. So there, lovely friends, as we can see in our behind side, you can see uh, weather today. Weather actually very sunny, and sun almost set, and so all over the scenery actually very amazing and very mesmerizing. So dear friends, this is the all around site for like paddy field and look like very green and very green environment. And so dear friends, and this is the all field actually today, all field actually flowering for mustard crops actually planting today, and seeding mustard crops. And so dear friends, so now I am going to for paddy field visiting, so that's why I making for video. Okay, so dear friends, uh, my actually YouTube channel nowadays I can't making blogging video and can't upload any video because so many problems. So that's why I don't upload my channel, actually don't upload any video. So today I making on video, and so actually my YouTube channel maximum video for English blogging video. Okay, and uh, like you can beginner learner, and you also watch in our video like I am a beginner learner for English. So that's why you also visit our channel and subscribe our channel, and pray for me, and thank you.